A teenage boy sits on top of a hill with some sheep grazing beside him. The boy is bored. The boy suddenly jumps up and shouts towards the village, "Wolf! Wolf!" The villagers run towards the hill. The villagers look around in confusion. An old man shakes his head angrily while the boy laughs and points to the empty field. The boy shouts again, "Wolf! Wolf!" The villagers are reluctant to believe him completely. It is evening. The boy is horrified to see a real wolf lurking among the sheep. He jumps up and cries for help. The sun has set. The boy sits alone crying. The villagers arrive, but it is too late. The sheep have disappeared.
No one believes a liar, even if he's telling the truth.